Welcome to the online viewing for 188 Brandwood Road. This traditional 3-bedroom semi-detached property located on a corner plot with driveway, off-road parking area here at the side of the house. And we've got gardens at the front and at both sides. Now moving inside the property into the hallway, and we can see the stairs leading up to the first floor. And then just behind me, there's also the entrance vestibule there with double doors. We've got 2 reception rooms down here on the ground floor, as well as the kitchen. And then the first reception room here towards the front of the house with a bay window. Reception room 2. And then we can just see from the window here to the side of the house. And some parquet flooring, another open fireplace. And through to the kitchen. There's the understairs recess area, providing space for the tall fridge freezer, a door out to the lean-to. It's a useful space with a doorway opening out to the rear garden. And up onto the first floor landing area, we've got the window to the side and loft access just above. We've got 3 bedrooms on this floor and the main bathroom. So bedroom 1 here towards the front of the house. And moving into bedroom 2, we're covered there in the corner, housing the gas boiler. bedroom 3. Plenty of space in here for a single bed. And then into the bathroom, and we've got roll top bath, as well as a good size walk-in corner shower cubicle. So in the other portion of garden here at the front of the property, a good lawned area with tall hedged boundaries. And with further gated access which leads through to the rear garden, where we have a flagged patio area, further hedged boundaries, and then a pathway leading up to the area where the shed is. It's a really lovely outside space with this property. Quite unusually good sized corner plot, and that concludes the online viewing for the property. And if you'd now like any further information, then please do contact the office, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Goodbye.